You are requested to find the area of this region. So to find the area, you have to use the Heron's formula. The Heron's formula has two things you have to consider. The first one, you have to define the semi-perimeter, and the second one, you have to define the area of the triangle by using this formula. A, B, and C represent the sides of the triangle. So in this case, example, this one is A, this one is B, and this one is C. So if such types of things are given, you have to use this formula. So the first one, A is 5 and B is 8, and C is the square root of 41 over 2. Then it will be 13 plus the square root of 41 over 2. This is the value of P, or semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter. So after finding the semi-perimeter, you have to substitute that value here to find the area. So P is here 13 plus the square root of 41 over 2 times 13 plus the square root of 42 over 2 minus 5 times 13 plus the square root of 42 over 2 minus 8 times 13 plus the square root of 41 over 2 minus the square root of 41. So this is the first thing. Then next, what you are going to do, just you have to define the common denominator for this one, just 5, 8, and the square root of 42. So that means it will be 13 plus the square root of 41 over 2 times 13 plus the square root of 41 minus 10 over 2, because here you have to multiply this one over 1 times 2 times 2. So this becomes 10, and the denominator becomes 2. So they will have common denominators. The next one, just you have to 13 plus the square root of 41 minus 2 times 8, right? This is over 1 times 2 times 2. It will be 16. 16 over 2 times 13 plus, right, the square root of 41 times minus 2 the square root of 41 over 2. Because this one, it is over 1 times 2 times 2, it will be just the square root of 2 root 41. Then after finding this one, next what you are going to do, just you have to sum the similar terms. In this case, 13 minus 10, it will be 3. So this becomes 3 plus the square root of 41 over 2. And here, 13 minus 16, it will be the square root of 41 minus 13 minus 16, it will be minus 3 over 2. And here, 13 plus, right, 13 plus 1 minus 2 times the square root of 41, right, over 2. Then this will be just 13 minus the square root of 41 over 2. Because just this, there is coefficient 1 here, 1 minus 2, it will be minus 1. So minus the square root of 41 over 2. Then after that, you have to bring them together. Then what it will be? It will be just 13 plus the square root of 41 over 2 times 13 plus the square root of 41 over 2 times the square root of 41 minus 3 over 2 times 13 minus the square root of 41 over 2. Then next, what you are going to do, just you have to bring them, this one, this one, this one, and this one together. So that means 2 to the power of 4. This will be 16, right? So then what you are going to do, this equal to 16. The denominator becomes 16. And here, just what you are going to do, This brings similar terms together. Bring similar terms together. 13 plus the square root of 41. 13 minus the square root of 41, right? So if you bring 13 plus the square root of 41 times this one, 13 minus the square root of 41, what does it mean? This a minus b, a plus b short multiplication formulas is equal to a square minus b square. So the same thing, this one is a, this one is b, this one is a, this one is b. So a minus b, right? A minus b, this one, a plus b, this one. So it will be a square minus b square. So that means a square, 13 square minus the square root of 41, the whole square. This will be 169 minus 41. So it will be 9 minus 1, it will be 8. 6 minus 4, 2, it will be 1, 128. So 128 times. Then next you have to bring this one. You have to bring this one. 3 plus 41, square root of 41, and the square root of 41 minus this one. So that means just 3 plus square root of 41 times square root of 41 minus 3. Then in this case, exchange the place. So this one you can rewrite this one as root 41 plus 3. So root 41 plus 3 times root 41 minus 3. You have to use the same, this one, short multiplication formula, the same. So it will be the square root of 41, the whole square, right? The whole square minus 3 square. It will be 41 minus 9. Then how much it will be? 11 minus 9, 2, right? And 3, as it is 32. Then it will be just this one will be 32. Then next, what you are going to do, you have to multiply to 128 multiplied by 32, right? 2 times 8, 16, 2 times 2, 4, 5, 2, 3 times 8, 24, 2, 3 times 2, 6, 7, 8, 3, so 6, 9, 10, 4. So this will be 4096, the square root of 4096 over 16. Then 4096 divided by 16, how much? 2 times 16, 32. 32, 8, 9, 5 times 6, 30, 0, 5 times 1, 8, 89, 6. So 6 times 6, 36, 3, 6 times 1, 6, 9. So it will be the square root of 256. Then out of square root, it will be 16 units square. If it is centimeter, centimeter square. If it is meter, meter square.